Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rochelle. I'm pretty sure you've seen the thumbnail, which is why you're over here. So let's get straight into this video. Alright, so you know this hairstyle. If you've watched last week's video, you would have seen me put this in. Let me put this mic on my clothes so I can use both hands. So you'd have seen this hairstyle in last week's video. So I undid 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. So I could accomplish today's video. I look like Angelica from Rugrats. Anyways, back to the video. So it's time to take these out, but I had a crazy idea because I know most of the times, or a lot of the times, I'm doing my hair. I'm usually on my veranda, so people will be passing by and they will be seeing me doing my hair. I talk with my hands so much. Let me put them down. So people will be passing by and they will be seeing me. They would see me doing my hair. And even though they see me doing it, they'll still ask, who did your hair? For those who didn't see, you would ask, and I'll tell them, I did it. The first thing, lie. I'm not entirely offended, it's just annoying sometimes. Anyways, the thing is, I had this crazy idea. Because I've been doing my hair since I was 12 years old. I wish I could demonstrate my reason for learning to do my own hair besides the God-given ability. But I remember my first day in high school, like my very first day in high school, my mom had my hair in 12. I'm not exaggerating. I remember there were 6 white and 6 red bubbles. My uniform was red and white. She had 12 of them in my hair. That's how thick. I'm gonna see if I can put up a picture of what my hair looked like. No, it's this short because I had it processed, so I wanted to grow it back natural. So I cut off, I think I explained this already in another video too. I started to grow the roots natural. I stopped processing, so the roots started to grow back natural, but I wanted to get rid of the processed part, so I had to cut it. So that's why, yeah, there isn't much length, but I had really tall, thick hair. So she did it in 12, the first day of high school. I was so annoyed because I looked like, so, and she was fed up. She was like, you gotta find some way to do your hair. I came home that very day and I took out one of the, I don't know what, tell me in the comments what everyone calls. Let me see if I can find one. Hold on. Got it. What do you call this? I call them bubbles. I think there's another name that I can't remember, but I call them bubbles. I had 12 of these in my hair the first day of high school. 6 red, 6 white. I'll never forget. I left high school 16 years ago. 16 years ago. I'll never forget. And so my mom was fed up with doing my own hair, so I had to learn. My mom was fed up with doing my hair, not my own, my hair. So I had to learn how to do it myself. And I caught on pretty quick to the point where at 12 years old, I was doing my hair. I was able to do other people's hair, and I was able, and the internet wasn't prominent back then. So I didn't have access to the internet back then, so I wasn't learning anything off the internet. It was just trial and error for me. So I thought it would be funny because of that practice, let me say, because of practicing from such a young age, I'm able to do like cornrows. I can close my eyes and cornrow. Of course, I gotta see what I'm doing to do the parts and the sections and whatever. I have to see what I'm doing to do that, of course. I'm not a magician. But to do a cornrow, it's just feeling for me. I just gotta feel where the hair is. So that's the craziness I'm about to do today. I'm sorry if that clap was so loud because I have a microphone on my chest. That's the craziness I'm about to get into today. I'm gonna blindfold myself. There is something stirring up in my head that makes me so excited to see how ridiculous I look. But I'm gonna do it because in my head it's fun. I hope you enjoy it as much as I'm enjoying this. So I have this scarf. It's very long. It can go around my head 2 times. So I'm gonna wrap it around, and I had to undo the hairs at the top so the scarf doesn't hinder what I'm doing. So I'm gonna wrap it around my eyes, back and front, and redo these cornrows. Because even though it's almost time for me to take them out, I still have one more day to go in them. After tomorrow, I take them out. By the time you see this, they'll be out. But it's time to take them out. So I'm going to play around and have some fun. So here we go. This is crazy. This is absolutely bonkers. Alright, I'm gonna tie it at the front. So I closed my eyes because I didn't want it to get into my eyes, which would have been crazy. I hope I'm still in frame. I can't wait to watch this back, by the way. I hope I'm still in frame, so I cannot see a thing because my eyes are closed and this is wrapped around. So let's go. First cornrow. Again, all I need to do is to feel for the hair. And go in that direction of where the hair is, where I'm feeling it. Surprisingly, they might be done neater than the ones that I actually stared in the mirror the whole time to do. If you guys can hear music, I apologize. That is all the way on the main road, which is why I hate recording from home, because it can be so noisy and out of nowhere. It's not like it's planned or expected. Well, there is one noise I expect every day at a specific time. But yeah, otherwise there could be a bike passing. So this is the first one. How's it look? You tell me, because I can't see. So that's the first one. I won't look until all 3 of them are done. So like I was saying about, for those who know where I live, hopefully I'm still in frame of the camera. I'm so sorry. But for those who know, there's a truck coming. Let me keep quiet to see if you guys can hear it. That was hilarious. I didn't know it was gonna go like that. But yeah, that's how noisy. It's not, the funny thing is, to be in my community on a random day, it wouldn't be like a noisy community to say, but for some reason, I think my microphone is extremely sensitive. Well, I know it is extremely sensitive. It picks up sounds from so far. And again, as you notice, I'm not plaiting out the end because I'm going back to my afro. I'm wearing my afro today. I'm going on the road in an hour or so. Alright, I think this one came from down here. Oh, Jesus, this one feels tricky. So I'm not plaiting the ends because I'm wearing it back. I'm going back to my afro. I'm leaving the back out. I normally do that when it's close to wash day. When it's time for me to wash my hair, I leave my hair out like that. Sometimes, not all the time, sometimes. Because I don't like to put my hair in a ponytail or whatever if I don't have to. I have headaches too often, so as much as I can leave my hair loose, I will. It gets knotted easily, but still. All right, so let me take this out. So I'm done. As you can see, I'm done. I'm gonna take my blindfold off. Oh god, I forgot where I tied it, to see what I did. Oh, my eyes. All right, so if I can feel, I think I did this one because it feels fresh on my scalp. So this one, I did this one. See, and I forgot which one here. I think it was this one. Yep. So yeah, that's me and my craziness. I can cornrow my hair with my eyes closed. And so I'm wearing my hair today. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more. I'm waiting for recommendations of what to do to my hair next. I promised 2-strand twist, so I'm gonna get to that because I don't like to make promise that I don't fulfill or I can't fulfill. It's not that I can't, I can, but I like to fulfill my promises when I make them in that time frame. But yeah, I'm gonna get to that 2-strand twist. I think I'm gonna do the back and then do something different to the front. We'll see. Enjoy yourselves. Jesus loves you. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Love you guys.